Hi, I'm Lenny with WTI, and I want to show you what I use to fix my issues with IT band pain, feet pain, glute pain, hamstring pain, those kind of things. I do a lot of running. I do a lot of trail running, that's my thing. And this little ball here, the Orb Extreme Mini from Pro-Tec Athletics, has really helped me a lot. And what I like about it is it's so light. Look at this. And how small it is, it fits in my hand. You can take it with you anywhere. I take it with me in my backpack or in my hydration pack when I go on a long run. And once you start getting some pain in your feet, for example, just take it out, roll your feet over it, and it really softens your feet. It softens knots you collect in different areas, different muscles. Really versatile little tool here that I can really recommend you to use if you're into running and other kind of sports. So yeah, something that I can recommend to look into, and that's my point of view.